Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove TikTok shop violation. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you access TikTok shop, or where can you create an account on where can you how can you create an account on TikTok shop, and where can you access TikTok shop? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of a browser, type TikTok shop and it's going to take you to the official website itself. Once you get into the website for TikTok shop, go ahead and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to remove TikTok shop violation. Let's say you are using a TikTok shop and for some reason you violated one of their rules, and it was given some kind of it led to some kind of restrictions on your account activities. Here's how you can remove the TikTok shop violation. Now, from this home page, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find this options, which include orders, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, grid center, analytics, account health, and finance. So go ahead and click on account health. So here you can check the health status of your account. So right here, it's good. My account health is good. But if yours is not good, you're going to get the violation record in this policy compliance. So let's say you've violated the shop. So in the shop violations, you've violated the shop rules rather. You're going to see shop violations. You're going to see current performance and target. So go ahead and click on view related violations. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the violation record window. So in here now, you're going to find the record ID for the violation type, the time the violation was created, violation reason, and the enforcement type. You're also going to find your appeal status. This is the appeal status: in appeal, successful, appeal failed, and unavailable. So right here, once you have your record stated here that you have violated the rule, under actions, you're going to find a button that says appeal. So it means you have the option of appealing. So click on the appeal button, and once you click on appeal, go ahead and follow through the step-by-step processes to create an appeal. Just let them know that you are sorry and state the reason you violated the rule, and of course you need to attach supporting documents, which are very necessary. So get your supporting documents ready, because you're going to have to attach it. And once you attach it and fill the appeal form, they're definitely going to reach out to you, and once the appeal has been approved, you're going to check the status here. You're going to see if it has been successful. You're going to see successful, it is failed. You're going to see appeal failed. If there's no appeal available for that, you're going to see appeal unavailable. That means that case is irredeemable. But you can even use the help sessions for you to let them know that, for them to like just do something about it if they say appeal unavailable. You can of course appeal to their conscience, So this is pretty much the steps that you can take to remove TikTok shop violation. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.